How do you design earthquake-resistant buildings?
Yung structure natin, it is designed na dapat maging ductile, inelastic yung response niya kapag nagkaroon siya ng earthquake. Once na-rigid yung structure, like for example, yung walis tingting. Pag inuga mo yung nag-iisang walis tingting, mag-bend-bend lang siya. Pero kapag marami yung walis tingting, tapos finorce mo siya na i-break, no? Nagiging rigid kasi kapag madami sila. No? Yun yung nagiging tendency na magkaroon ng cracks dun sa mga columns, dun sa mga beams, kasi hindi siya ductile. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya nag-sway.
Then we start off with looking at the architectural plans. That's very important that we get the geotechnical investigation or soil report early. Pag yung structural system na yon is one of those listed in the NSCP, then pwede kami to just use yung tinatawag nilang prescriptive based design. Linear analysis lang yun. It doesn't fall under those listed in the code, then we have to do non-linear analysis. Dun pumapasok naman yung PBD.